So part 3 to the video. Okay, this is how I'm going to add scores and lives. So score is a variable. You've probably seen this one done before with me. Add score. Oops, you've got to press OK. Add their score, and also I'm going to add lives. Okay, let's make that lives. I always forget that you've got to press the keyboard down, press OK. Right, so lives and score. I might put lives on this side. I don't know if I can put it on that side. I'd like to put that over there a bit. Okay, don't like it there. I'll have to work out that. That's not important at the moment. So score and lives. Right, so score, I think that's an easy one. I think we'll put it on Scratch, the cat. So I think the score, what we'll do is we'll do it that you change. Oh, we've got to set score at 0 first though. So set score to 0, change score by 1 forever, and wait a minute. So in this game you get a point for every second you're alive. Nice and simple. Okay, now lives. Firstly, same thing again. Event set lives at well, it's up to you what you want to say, I suppose. Set lives, I'm going to say 3. You always have 3 lives, don't you? Okay, set lives at 3. Then what you're going to have to do is do a little bit of a tricky program. Okay, this is what you have to do. You need an if. If. And you need a forever. So that it knows to do it. If. And you'll probably need one of these, because depending on how many balls, I've got 3 balls, haven't I? 1, 2, 3. So 3 gaps. If touching. Oh, this is where being on a iPad isn't helpful, because it's very fiddly. If touching ball, if it's very fiddly this bit, touching ball 2. Try again. Yeah, it's very fiddly, it can be very annoying. Okay, it's much easier on a computer instead of a tablet like I'm using now. If touching, I'm going to do that down there, ball 1, put that there. If touching ball 2, or if touching ball 3. Now this will be a pain if you get too many. Right, thankfully I've done that. Then if doing that, then you go back to your variable and change lives by -1. Change lives by -1. Okay, and then the last thing you need to do is make sure, let's just check if that works first. So let's see. So the score's going up, great, let's touch that. Oh, now you can see the only problem is as the ball touches it repeatedly, so as it goes through it, you're losing lots of life. So then what you need to do is you need to put a very important wait after you've lost your life, instead of, so you don't lose multiple lives. Let's have a look. So hopefully this, let's see if I can lose a life. Oh yes, you see, there you are. Right, now the other problem is when you get to 0, the game keeps on going. So if and an operation equals nothing, very important, it's got to be lives. If lives equal nothing, then you need to go to here and you need to go to control and stop all. Oh, very important, in this part of the game you need it to know that this is for all the time, and that will stop the game. Okay, there's a lot of cleanup blocks. There's a lot of programming going on now in that one, but now you should hopefully be able to have a good game. Oh, lost a life. Lost a life, and it hasn't. Yeah, stopped. Okay, 9 scored. Now, that is the basics of the game. Now you can have it with multiple things dropping if you wanted to. You could also have it maybe where you want to drop a life. Okay, now if you want to drop a life, all you'd have to do is change it so that you need another one of these scripts here, this one, but you'd have it where if it's touching that particular sprite, you would change lives by +1. Okay, and also if you're going to do that, make sure you don't get that life dropping all the time. Okay, right, I'm hoping now we're going to see some good videos on this one.